All right, so it's a couple days later, and I have gotten another item. The sort, I think it's called Ollie's. Here's their tote bag. Ollie's good stuff, cheap. Yeah, new stores I go to, I'm always looking out for decor possibilities. And I was like, I'm not gonna get anything decor because I had a lot of things in mind. I had a list. I'm not getting anything in decor. Obviously, we know how lists go. Um, but I saw it. I'm just like, I didn't want this theme in my decor, but I had to have it. It was so pretty. I'm like, it's going on the wall. I think it's a placemat. I don't even know. But I just saw it and it looked pretty and it was in this orange color scheme. And I held it up in the store. I'm just like, I saw that it was supposed to be pumpkins, but it looked very abstract in the store. I showed it to my sister. She's like, I'm like, do you see it? She's like, yeah, she sees it. But it especially comes through on the wall, I think. Two pumpkins surrounded by leaves. I think it's gorgeous. I think it's not too orange to clash with anything else decor wise. It's not too golden. And it looks like it has texture here, but it really doesn't. But I like that effect that it has. Oh, it's lovely. And it was just $2. It's my one little statement piece. So it's filling up the wall here now. I'm really happy with it. The rest of the wall, kind of bare. There's some plants. And that's really a permanent space, but that's where they are now. But I just think it's cute.